Our designer who's working on this drawing wants to know how to create a plant schedule, and can gCADPlus give some tools that will help do that? Well, it can. If we go back to the model now, let's imagine we want to work on this entrance area, and we want to choose plants that simulate box hedges, and this designer is keen on using Australian native species. And if I select this little symbol here, notice it's picked the Lomandra longifolia, the narrowleaf Lomandra, and it will form a ball. This one here is a Westringia fruticosa, which again can be clipped if necessary. There are two examples here, and I better click this plus sign because I want to add more than one, and I keep missing. I'll click that one and that one. I've got two Eucalyptus caesias, Gungurru, all planted in one hole because this will be very delicate and spill out. So we're trying to create quite an impression as someone alights, let's say, from a vehicle in the driveway and moves through here. The way you do automatic plant scheduling is each one of those, as you saw, each one of those symbols is associated with a plant, and to run the schedule, and I've already run it here, you simply go gCADPlus plant schedule and draw the standard schedule. We can nominate the height of the text. We might want to make it slightly larger, 225 for text height, and corner point here and come there, and it'll be slightly larger text in a block which is a little smaller, and we get the number of these plant specimen species that's going to be used in the whole design. And if we add more, you've got an option to update it. So how's that done? Well, if you look down in the status line, we've attached what's called a GCP file. And if I go to gCADPlus and edit the plant list, the GCP file is shown here, and there's the botanical name and common name. You can shuffle this around. I find it quite handy to click on type, and now I've got medium shrubs, mini shrubs, we've just used that one there, and so on. So this is attached to the drawing, and if we want to, let's say, if we pick this symbol over here, so it's just called SppTag, and it's not assigned to anything at all, and there's three of them in a raised garden bed, be a reasonable size. So let's go gCADPlus, edit that plant list, click here. We're looking for a medium-sized shrub that might work in that area, or a small tree perhaps. These are, there's one, the Callistemum verminalis, acacia, a standard grevillea could be used. This is quite a formal design, so let's choose that one and OK it. And now if we pick that one, we need, when we pick it, to set data to a plant. And again, if I stretch things out, I can still do that same. We want to use the grevillea standard, and we're done. Now when we select it, can you see in the preferences box, we've got the correct. So we need to update our plant schedule. gCADPlus, update the plant schedule, and we now include that standard grevillea. So it's just a matter of working one's way through the design, and I'll go back to the layout now to see how things are developing. There are some real bonuses working this way because there are tools in gCADPlus. There's a smart label tool which will enable you to extract the botanical or common name and print it alongside. And there are many movies on the gCADPlus website that show you how to do that. So I hope that helps. You might wish to improve your plant DCP file. If you need to make your own under Tools, here you can create a GCP file yourself. Just click there and that'll give you a blank screen to enter in and develop your own.